Hello dear learners, today I will help you to understand present continuous tense. In the previous video, I explained about present indefinite tense, so today we'll do present continuous tense. First, we should understand what is present continuous. Present means the moment or the time which is going on. Continuous shows the continuity of an action, the action which is in continuation. So let's see the uses of present continuous tense. First one, to describe an action that is going on at the time of speaking. Whatever action is going on at the time of speaking can be described in present continuous. Like I am taking my breakfast. What I'm doing? I'm taking my breakfast. So with I we have used am, and with simple base form we have used ing to show the continuity of an action. To express an action that is expected to take place in the near future. For example, we are going to buy a car tomorrow. Means action will take place in future, but we can express it in present continuous. We are going to buy. To express an action which begins before a given time and continues after it. For example, at 8 a.m. I am having my breakfast. Means I will start at 8 a.m. and it will continue afterwards also. To express some undesirable habits, like he is always wasting his time in gossips. So what is the basic structure? That with he we have used is, with I we have used am, with he, she, it is, I am, we, you, they, are. Next we'll see the structure and the time words. Time words are very important to write in an impressive and effective way. He is studying right now. Right now what he is doing? Studying. They are arguing at the moment. At the moment what action is going on? Arguing. I am using my computer for the time being. Maybe I will not use afterwards, or maybe I will do something else. So for the time being I am using my computer. We are learning English now. I'm not going to the party tonight. Future planning. She is always coming to class late, complaining. He cannot take a decision as he is continuously changing his mind. I don't think Rana can lose weight. He is always eating something. So here in all these sentences, right now, at the moment, for the time being, now, tonight, always, continuously, these are time words. So to write sentences effectively, we can use these time words for present continuous tense. And next, this is the structure. Like with I, we have used am, and with verb form ing. I am working. If we want to make negative, I am not working, simply not will be inserted. And if we want to make a question, interrogation, then auxiliary will come out. Am I not working? Am I working? So negative interrogative also, first auxiliary, then subject, then not, and then working. In the same way, you can go through all these sentences to have a fluency. Like I am, we are, you are, they are, and with he we have used is. So he, she, it will take is. Next, with the help of translation also we can learn tenses easily. Like, see the first sentence, Kamal ga raha hai. Kamal is a noun. Kamal, raha hai is, ga, what action is going on? Singing. Kamal is singing. वह पुस्तक पढ़ रहा है. वह ही पुस्तक book पढ़ रहा है is reading. He is reading a book. राजेश कार्यालय नहीं जा रहा है. राजेश noun. राजेश नहीं जा रहा है is not going. Where? कार्यालय, to office. राजेश is not going to office. हम गाड़ी की प्रतीक्षा कर रहे हैं. हम, we, plural, प्रतीक्षा कर रहे हैं. are waiting for what? गाड़ी, for the train. We are waiting for the train. वे फिल्म देखने जा रहे हैं. वे, plural here, they, so we'll use are. जा रहे हैं are going to देखने see film a movie. They are going to see a movie. तुम वहां कब जा रहे हो? When are you going there? कब, when, तुम, you, जा रहे हो, are going, वहां, there. So we have to arrange this sentence according to interrogative. When are you going there? क्या रमेश कहानी सुना रहा है? क्या is रमेश narrating a story? सुना रहा है, narrating. वह लंदन जा रहा है. He is leaving for London. This is a future event already planned. I hope translation can help you more in understanding tenses. Next, these are some examples showing the basic structure of present continuous tense. The leaves are turning brown. Leaves are plural, so we have used are and ing. Clouds are plural, so we have used are, ing. Thundering. The policeman is singular, so we have used is, running after the thief. The school peon is ringing the bell. Peon is singular, so we have used is. She is playing outside with she, singular, is. We are going to buy a car tomorrow. We, plural, so we have used are. I am taking my breakfast. He is dining with us tonight. Now next is a practice exercise. You can just go through, you can solve yourself, and down below answers are written already, so you can match afterwards. First we'll discuss two sentences. The clouds are plural here, so we have to use are. The clouds are thundering. Ing will put beside the verb. The policeman is singular, so we'll use is. Is running after the thief. Then we dash for the train. We are waiting for the train. Now he dash the picture. He is drawing the picture. In the same manner, you can do all these sentences and then match your answers. I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest videos. I'll put videos related to tenses. Thank you.